Welcome back to learn more about how Fives tools can help you maintain the code for your application. This short video will demonstrate how to use Fives Code Search to search for strings in your code. When you first open the Code Search tool, all code blocks in your application will be listed. Once you type the string you are searching for in the Search String field and press Tab, the list will be reduced to only hold the code blocks that contain the string you are searching for. For the check by quantity function, you can see it contains the string stock, and Fives informs us of the first line the string is used in the code. If you click the View button, you will be taken directly into the code and you can see stock first appears on line 4.